Hello everyone, I'm Naveen. I'm here to present a seminar on my internship work, which was done under the guidance of internal guide Professor Deepthi N and external guide Mr. Sunil Kumar. Next, now let's look at the contents that I will go throughout their presentation. First, I will talk about the company where I was an intern. Next, I will tell you about the actual work assigned to me and how I managed to complete the assigned work, and then about the skills that I have gained while working as an intern, and at last about the how I got benefited from the internship. Next, about the company. First, I worked in internship company Intella Software Service. The company profile like information technology solution and business process to its clients, and our core comprises of product and development, build strong partnerships that ensure value for customers across technologies and services, experienced in providing high quality solutions to clients in diverse business areas. We view our company as knowledge centric learning organization that continuously improve its capabilities to help clients achieve their business and technology plans. Next, actual work. The internship involved gaining a good understanding of project called data sharing, where my job was to understanding and creating the registration page, home page, and handed application. Data sharing is an important functionality in cloud storage. It shows how to securely, efficiently, and flexibly share data with others in cloud storage. What work we did? So here I used to HTML, CSS, JavaScript, where users gets login, and we used MySQL database to fetch validate data. Then we evaluate the content once user login. Then the user will have option for uploading files or downloading. Then we click uploading option. Then it will be taken to encryption option, where we have used algorithm called data encryption algorithm. Then through the algorithm, we will fetch the information. Then that will converted as ciphertext, and then that will send user's email. And next, technical outcomes and non-technical outcomes. We have come across technical like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, ASP.NET, MySQL, and non-technical like monitoring and correcting performance, exercising leadership, behaving professionally, applying knowledge to the task, improving problem solving and critical thinking skills. These are all non-technical outcomes. And next one, work experience, ability to perform well under pressure, good communication, task was assigned time to time, learn to manage the time. Working as an intern, I also got a little work experience, which might help me to land a job in future and gradually by overcoming challenges in the path. And next, snapshots. These are the snapshots of our internship, where we have created admin register page, and then it is login and uploaded file also. And next one, benefits of our internship: apply classroom knowledge, have an edge in the job market. In briefly, this internship has been an excellent and rewarding experience. I can conclude that there have been a lot of I have learned from my work at Intella Software Service. Two main things that I have learned are the importance of time management skills and self motivations. And in the end, I was awarded with a certificate for successfully completed my internship. Thank you.